Hi everyone, welcome to Gnan Cloud Garage. In this session, I'm going to talk about the evolution and current state of AI. So until the latest artificial intelligence and the most commonly used ChatGPT version 4. Okay, and the evolution it's starting from year 1950s to until the current year 2023, that is current state. Okay, so let's start from the early 1950s. That during that time, the concept of AI dates back to the 1950s when researchers begin the exploring the idea of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. Early AI efforts focus on the symbolic reasoning and rule-based systems. And later on, 1970s to 1980s, this era, we call it as a AI winter. Progress in AI research faced on significant challenges and leading to a period known as the AI winter, when funding and interest decline. In other words, we call it as decreased. And despite setbacks, research in areas like expert systems continued or persist. When it comes to the year 1980s, the expert systems which used knowledge-based rules to solve specific problems and gained importance during this period, and they were applied in the fields like medicine and finance for decision support. When it comes to the year 1990s, the main thing is machine learning regeneration, or we call it as rebirth. The year 1990s saw a rebirth in AI with the development of machine learning algorithms. Neural networks support vector machines, and decision trees become essential tools for AI applications. When it comes to the year 2000s, the era is started like big data and deep learning. So the ability of massive data sets and advance in the computational power facilitated the rise of deep learning and deep neural networks, especially convolutional and recurrent neural networks, developed fields like image recognition and NLP. NLP full form is natural language processing. And the year 2010s to 2020s, that is the almost the AI in everyday life. AI started to become an integration to daily life and with an applications in virtual assistants. So virtual assistants means like normally in the iPhones we can see the virtual assistant Siri and also Alexa and so on. When it comes to the recommendation systems, that means best example is Netflix, Amazon, and also the autonomous vehicles, that means self-driving vehicles, and the reinforcement learning and the GANs, that means generative adversarial networks pushed the boundaries of AI capabilities. Okay, and in 2010s, NLP breakdown. So that means NLP breakdown means normally the natural language processing breakdowns. So NLP models like BERT and GPT-3, advanced NLP, made significant strides in understanding and generating the human-like text. Okay, and application extended to chatbots and translation and content generation. Okay, and now the current state almost in the year 2023. So last but not the least, AI ethics and bias. So as AI becomes more significant concerns about ethics and bias, and the responsible use of AI have grown, and efforts are underway to address bias and AI algorithms and ensure fairness and transparency. Okay, and the current state it's not only limited to AI ethics and bias, and AIs keep evolving to the multiple industries. So suppose in this slide, this talks about current state of AI. So AI in healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, and more. Most of the industries started using the artificial intelligence. So AI is making a substantial impact in various industries, including healthcare. Suppose when it comes to the healthcare, the main healthcare is diagnostics and drug discovery. When it comes to the finance industries, it's mainly for fraud detection and trading. And when it comes to the manufacturing, mainly for robotics and automation. Okay. And another current state of AI is AI for climate and sustainability. AI is being a leverage to address global challenges like climate change and also climate modeling, and with applications in climate modeling, energy optimization, and environmental monitoring. And another key point is AI research and innovation. So it's AI research is it's keep evolving and also ongoing with an emphasis on improving existence and how we let's say developing ethical guidance and also exploring the frontiers of AI, including quantum computing and AI ethics. Okay. And last but not the least, AI in autonomous systems, that means self-driving, such as self-driving cars. So autonomous systems such as self-driving cars and drones continue to advance through the regulatory challenges persist or continue. Okay. So as we are aware, ChatGPT was released on last year, November 30, 2022, and rapid acceleration in last 9 months. Even currently, we have a latest version, ChatGPT 4. And ChatGPT, it's not only for a most of the timelines it have so many examples, capabilities, and limitations. For example, even if you type in the ChatGPT, reach is pretty simple. You can straightforward. You can just log into OpenAI website and you can just register with our Gmail account. Once we log into the ChatGPT, if you type any questions, for example, explain quantum computing in simple terms, it will provide. Even if you have any book, if you want to read the summary, for example, Think and Grow Rich by written by the Napoleon Hill. If you want to know about the book summary, you can just type what is the book summary of Think and Grow Rich. It will provide the complete brief summary of that book. And similarly, it is also have a capabilities to train to decline inappropriate requests, and it will always allows user to provide follow-up corrections. And also, if you want to compose one email, if you want to correct it, or if you want to do a grammatical mistakes, you can just type in the chat GPT. It will also provide a sample email, like it will provide a sample templates. Even if you want to prepare a resume or CV, you can just test in the chat GPT, provide the sample CV on solution architect role. It will provide a sample resume when you're applying for a solution architect role. And not only this, only for normal English and knowing about the book summary and also the technical concepts, even though we can also use for a developing perspective. If you want to write a code, if you want to export the virtual machines report from the vCenter, if you want need a Power CLI script, you can just get it from a chat GPT. Not only Power CLI, it will also support for so many scripting languages, like you can get a YAML files if you want to deploy a Kubernetes applications on any of the enterprise grade Kubernetes platforms. Okay, that's how it's keep on evolving, and but it also have some limitations, may occasionally generate incorrect information, and also this limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. It's available the data until the year 2021. If you need a very latest one, maybe we need to start using a enterprise version of ChatGPT version 4. Okay, so as AI continues to evolve, it holds immense potential to reshape industries like finance, manufacturing, and also medical and more, to solve complex problems while requiring responsibility to address social and ethical concerns. So hope you understand the evaluation of artificial intelligence and current state of AI. Hope everyone also already started using ChatGPT. This is just a quick overview. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. If you're watching this video first time, please do view, like, share, and subscribe to the Gnan Cloud Garage channel. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate all your support. Bye for now.